All right, here we are, another job. We're trimming, and let's get started. All right, let's show you what we're doing today. That door going here, bathroom door going in, trimming it. That door's not supposed to be in here. Obviously, bathroom door going in. That door's missing, but going in. That door is the bedroom door. That door there, going here. That's an extra slab we don't need. We're putting all this base in. We're basing this whole unit out. We didn't do that in 305, but we are here. And let's just get started. We'll get to the other stuff later. Let's go. Let the install begin. So we have to cut these doors down, the jambs. They want them about a 1/2 inch. And this is about 7/8, so we gotta cut it down to right there. We'll show what we're gonna do. Basically, that's what we gotta do. We gotta cut it down to about a 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch to 5/8 on every door, so we gotta cut every single jamb on every door. This one, that one, everyone. So let's get to it. I probably shouldn't have that there. I don't care. Going down. And these doors are heavy. .88 and 5/8, 2 of them. Be right back. All right, time to glue it and screw it. Sorry, nail it. Glue it, nail it. All right, another door in, trim, door number 3. Oh, gotta trim it. My golly, we gotta rip a board, 2 5/8. So, here's what we gotta do. We're gonna be 2 5/8 from this mark. We go like so, make a little mark, like so, and then just measure down 2 5/8. And that will give us, I'm not left-handed, but we're gonna do it left-handed. 2 5/8. From there off, I gotta cut it. Then I gotta rip a board. So, back later. Cut this piece just like this. We're gonna start here. Shoe this whole thing all the way around there, all the way in the hallway into the main part. So let's get started. We're gonna make this 5 3/8. All right, let's do this. So, here's our first piece of work. We're gonna cut this caulking out from there down to make this fit nice and tight. There we go. You see there, we cut our caulking out so we get a nice edge on her. And then, on to our next piece. We're gonna do 22.5 here. So from inside corner, we're gonna go butt in, and we're gonna go right. We're gonna go 7 7/8. All right, so that's it. That looks good. We're gonna do 22.5. 124.25 inches. Ooh, gotta take a little bit off. She's a little long. $40.5 minus. 22.5, 22.5. You that? Because you barely see that. We'll go 98. 5/8. Measure twice, cut once. Strong. All right, take a degree and hit off that. Inside corner, we're going 15 3/4. 15 3/4 and 10 strong. All right, let's see, we get her one cut. Look at that, right on the nose. 15 3/4 for that one. Oh, 10 strong. I'm showing how to do shoe. This is how you do shoe install. It's really easy, not too hard. We're gonna start here, we're gonna end there. So here we go. And this is how you do a shoe install. Just get your measurements. Butt end, it's gonna be 11 5/8. Straight cut, 45 cut, and 22.5. That's 11 5/8. And this one's, I'm gonna say 22 3/4. Here's our last room to do shoe. As you can see, we got a little gap there. Gap there, gap there. That's it. Then we gotta put base in here. Gotta finish putting in a little bit of hardware. There and there. We're gonna swap out some more hinges. And this place is done. October 7th. Look at that. Little rainy, it's hot, 86 degrees out. Mr. Pat Man doing his thing. Doing his little detail cutting. Look at him go. Get her done. All right, as always, buy crypto. I feel like it. The market's down, we're at about 8,000, so I'm gonna be buying some more crypto. I don't know, maybe in another month. Dollar cost average, I say. Anyway, this job is looking pretty fine. We're just about done. See you on the flip side.